Hello students, now our topic is respiratory system of human being. Respiratory system start from nostrils. Nostrils are slit-like opening. Nostrils open into nasal chamber. Nasal chamber further divided in three parts. First part is vestibular region. It is anterior most part, which contain hair and glands. Hair trap the particles which comes from air, and glands secrete mucus which provide moisturization to the air. And second part is respiratory region, which is lined by pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelial membrane, denoted by P, C, C, E, pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelial layer, which filter air. And next region is, and posterior most region is olfactory region. Olfactory region receive smell because it covered by Schneiderian membrane. Schneiderian membrane connect with brain. Now nasal chamber open into internal layers. Internal layers again open into pharynx. Pharynx is a common pathway of buccal cavity and nasal chamber. It divides, or there is three openings. First is oropharynx. Oropharynx is opening of buccal cavity or region of opening of buccal cavity. And second is nasopharynx. Nasopharynx is a region of in which nasal chamber open. And third is laryngopharynx. Laryngopharynx is a region in which larynx open into the pharynx. Now pharynx open into larynx, also called voice box. Opening of larynx called glottis, which covered by epiglottis, which is a flap-like structure which prevents entry of food particle into the windpipe. Now larynx have some cartilage such as thyroid, which is largest cartilage of larynx, cricoid and arytenoid. When air enter into the larynx, these cartilage are vibrate and produce sound. And this sound means ये जो cartilage है, जब एयर एंटर होती है तो कार्टिलेज वाइब्रेट होते हैं और साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है, और इस साउंड को वर्ड देने का काम करती है टंग. नाउ लैरिंग्स ओपन इनटू ट्रेकिया. इट इज द मोस्ट important part. Trachea is also called windpipe. It consists C-shaped cartilage ring which prevent collapse of trachea. In the absence of air on the thoracic region, trachea again further divide into bronchus, or plural form is bronchi. Each bronchi enter into the lungs from further division and division. Bronchi divide into primary bronchi, then secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, then again bronchi into alveolar duct. Alveolar duct open into alveoli sac, and alveoli sac have different alveoli. All these divisions occur in lungs. There are one pair of lungs present in thoracic region, right and left, covered by pleural membrane. Pleural fluid present between outer and inner pleural membrane, which absorb mechanical shock and provide protection to the lungs. Right lung have 3 lobes, and left lung have 2 lobes only. This system now we have to study by structure. Firstly, these are nostril. Nostril open into nasal chamber. It is nasal chamber. Now nasal chamber open into internal layer. Now internal layer open into pharynx. Pharynx open into larynx. It is larynx. It is glottis, opening of larynx, and a flap-like structure present on glottis. It is epiglottis, and it is largest cartilage is thyroid. Thyroid present on ring-like cartilage called cricoid, and arytenoid cartilage present on surface on the anterior region of thyroid. Now larynx open into a tubular structure called trachea or windpipe. Trachea have C-shaped structure or C-shaped cartilage which prevent from collapsing in the absence of air. In thoracic region, trachea divided into 2 parts of called bronchi, which enter into lungs. There are 2 lungs, right lung and left lung. Left lung divided in 2 lobes by oblique fissure, and right lung divided into 3 lobes by 2 fissure. One is horizontal and one is oblique. Lungs covered by membrane called pleural membrane. Now bronchi further divide in primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Tertiary open into alveoli duct, then alveolar sac, which divided into alveoli. It is the unit of lung.